Every day roughly 500 million people log on to websites like Facebook, Twitter and Reddit and interact with people all over the world. It comes as no surprise that since the internet as a medium of communication is unconventional, unique situations arise when people communicate online. The study of this phenomena is known as computer-mediated communication. Or as I like to call it, why everyone on the internet is an asshole. First and foremost, perhaps the biggest reason people behave different online than in person is because the internet offers a veil of anonymity. The ability for users to remain anonymous online can influence behavior since no identifying information is tied to a specific user, which is instead usually replaced with an unspecific pseudonym. Another reason the internet contributes to peculiar behavior is that the medium makes people invisible to one another. In certain scenarios where people know each other in real life are on the internet together, invisibility means that the physical separation of these people can allow behavior that is not expected to flourish without immediate consequences to the parties involved. With the two main factors investigated, we can hypothesize and research how the internet changes behavior. A medium-sized research analysis of 129 undergrad students at the University of Georgia found that as students increased their social interactions on Facebook, they ended up exhibiting more narcissistic tendencies. Ironically enough, another medium-sized study from the University of Windsor found that as individuals spent more time on social websites, that they were more likely to be shy and have less friends on said sites and by extension real life. A very common problem that has been occurring recently with the advent of the internet is the rise of cyberbullying. The National Institute of Health published a study of high school bullying and found that roughly 15% of high schoolers were victims of cyberbullying. Male adolescents were more likely to be cyberbullies and female adolescents were more likely to be cyber victims. In conclusion, it should be noted that behavior changes can occur in people who repeatedly engage in online communication. A lack of social pressure online has been primarily shown to be responsible for this behavior as well as a diminished physical presence of peers. As the human population grows and adapts to new communication techniques, there is a recommendation for communities to educate individuals on how to appropriately engage in online communication. Thank you for your time.